Let's talk about simple random number sampling and the random number table. First, by definition, a simple random sample is simply a subset of the population, and the simple random sample is selected in such a way that every sample, regardless of sampling size from the population, has an equal chance of being selected. An easy way to do this is to use the random sample table. Let's look at problem 8 on page 19 of your book. It says, use a random number table to generate a list of 8 random numbers from 1 to 976. Table 1 in your appendix on page A1 and A2 in the back of your textbook has the following: 50 rows and 10 blocks of 5 digits in each row. Now I'm only showing a small portion, but when you go into the back of your book, you'll see the 50 rows and the 10 blocks of 5 digits. Now you can see this is 5 digits and there's 10 blocks or columns, if you will. You read the digits by beginning anywhere in the table. Anywhere in the table. You can close your eyes and just start using the numbers where your finger lands, however you want to do it. The book notes that the authors dropped a pin on the table, and wherever the head of the pin landed, that was the row they started with. Write down the numbers of that row. If you need more numbers, then continue on and use the next row. Just for demonstration purposes, I will use row 10, beginning with block set 3. And this is row 10 right here where my cursor is showing you. And I will probably start right here where it says 73920. Okay? I would just get another piece of paper and I would just write 73920, then 56297, then 72678, all the way to the end. Okay? And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, here's my numbers. Now let's go back and see what numbers we're using. The instructions say 1 to 976. Well, 976 is 3 digits. So we will regroup our digits into blocks of 3 numbers. And this is what it would look like when you're done. Okay? Okay, none of our regrouped numbers are larger than 976. So we can use them all. You can choose the 8 random numbers as they are. In other words, just go numbers 739, 205, 629, 772, and so forth. Or you can skip every other one. In other words, 739, 629, 678. It doesn't matter. However you want to do it. If you need another row of numbers, and just go to the next row. Just for ease of explanation, I will only use the numbers I've generated. Maybe go to every other number and then use the remaining numbers. Alright, so this is what I did. I chose every other number, and then at the very end, because I needed 8, remember I need 8, I just went ahead and took this one and then number 7, this one being number 576 and then number 7. Notice that 036 will become the number 36. Also, after regrouping, and if you encounter the same number twice, just skip it and go on to the next number. And that's just how easy it is to use the random number table. And these are my 8 numbers that I have chosen. Now you can do the same with problem number 7. Thank you.